Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials and on my Twitch, I will put them on the screen and I will link them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I will put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play NBA 2K21 on PC with your PlayStation 4 controller if you got it from Epic Games. But if you got it from Steam, it's a very similar process, so you can still learn from this video. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up Steam, go to the top left corner and click Steam over here, and then click Settings, and then go to Controller, General Controller Settings, and you can go ahead and uncheck every other box here except for PlayStation configuration support. So just make sure that this is the only one that is checked, and after you do that, you can go ahead and close it. Alright, so what you need to do next is to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PC. You can either do that by plugging it in with the cable, the same one that you used to plug it into the PS4, or you can do it wirelessly with Bluetooth. So to plug it in with the cable, all you have to do is connect one end of the cable to your PS4 controller and then connect the other end to your PC and press the home button and it should be ready to use. Alright, so you might run into an issue where you can't hear any sound, and if that happens to you, you can go ahead and go to the bottom right corner over here and click the sound icon and try adjusting the volume. And if you can't hear anything, you can click over here and then just change this to something else. So let's change it to this. Try adjusting the volume again. If you still can't hear anything, click here again and change it to something else and try adjusting the volume again. And as you can see now, I can hear sound. So that's what you can do if you run into this issue, and that's it. Alright, so to connect it with Bluetooth, here's what you need to do. So go ahead and go to the search bar over here, type Bluetooth, and click Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth. Okay, and then what you need to do next is press and hold the home button and the share button at the same time until the controller starts to blink. And as you can see now, it's blinking, so it's ready to pair. So what you need to do next is click add Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth, and as you can see, it appeared right here, wireless controller. Just click that, and now it says your device is ready to go, and that's it. You're pretty much done. You can minimize this. All right, so the next step is to add Epic Games Launcher to your Steam library, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So go ahead and click add a game right here, add a non-Steam game, and try to look for Epic Games here. And if you can't find it here, you can click browse. And if you know where it's located on your computer, you can just go ahead and go to that location and click that. But if you don't, you can go ahead and click over here, open up File Explorer. You can go to this PC and go to the search bar over here and type Epic Games. Epic Games Launcher right here. Don't click it. Make sure you right click, open file location. And as you can see, it's right here. So what you can do here is click over here and copy this link. So right click, copy, close this, you can close that, and you can just go ahead and paste it right here. Right click and paste and open. And it should be here somewhere, right there, Epic Games Launcher. So go ahead and click open. And as you can see, there's a check mark on Epic Games Launcher. So let's click add selected programs. For this next step, you're going to want to make sure that Epic Games is closed. Make sure you're not signed into Epic Games or anything like that. Make sure it's closed. All right. So after that, you can go ahead and click big picture mode. It's really important that you put it in big picture mode, because if you don't, sometimes some games don't work with controllers. I don't know why, but just do it. So let's go ahead and click big picture mode. And now, as you can see, I can navigate with my controller. So let's go ahead and go to library, go to games. If you got the game from Steam, you can just go ahead and look for it here and then just open it. But since we got it from Epic Games, you're gonna want to look for Epic Games, which is right here. So let's pick this shortcut and play, and then it's gonna open up Epic Games Launcher. And from here, you can go ahead and use your mouse and keyboard to sign in with your email and password. All right, so after you sign in, you can go ahead and go to your library and just go ahead and launch NBA 2K21. All right, so here we are. All right, so now as you can see, I can use my controller to navigate. So let's just play now. Let's just do a quick play. I'm not very good at this game. I'm just making this video to teach you guys how to play this game on controller on PC. So let's just do a quick game. All right, so as you can see right now, I'm controlling my character with the controller. So yeah, like I said, I'm not good at this game. I'm just making this video to show you guys how to play this game with a controller on your PC. So that's pretty much it. All right, so now if you're done with the controller and you want to disconnect it, here's what you need to do. So what you need to do is to open up the Bluetooth settings again. So click over here to the search bar and type Bluetooth. And then look for wireless controller. It's right here actually. So let's click this and remove device. Click yes. And after a few seconds, the light is gonna go away. So now the controller is off, and if you want to use the controller for your PS4 again, you're gonna have to plug it in with the cable to the PS4 again. All right guys, so that is it. That is all that you have to do to play NBA 2K21 on PC with your PlayStation 4 controller. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I will put them on the screen, as well as my Twitch, and I will link them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I will put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you guys again for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next video, but for now, I'm out. Later.